Next we see hundredth. Okay. David was measuring the length of his room. He found that the length of his room is 4 meter and 25 centimeter. Okay. See here, 4 meter and 25 centimeter. He wanted to write the length in meter. Can you help him? See, what part of a meter will be 1 centimeter? Everybody know that 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. Right? That means 1/100th of a meter. That means we can say 1/100th. Of a meter. Okay, this means here 25 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. So 25 centimeter is equal to 25 by 100 meter. Okay, now 1 by 100 means 1 part out of 100 parts of a whole. That means we have to write 1 by 100. You can write 0.01. Clear? 1 by 10 means 0.1. See here, 4 meter and 25 centimeter means you have to change it in this 25 centimeter is equal to 25 by 100 meter. See here, how can you write 25 by 100 meter? See, 0.25 meter. Right? Now, 4 meter and 25 centimeter. In this 25 centimeter means you can write 0.25. So, see here, 4 meter and 0.25 meter. So, now you can add off in that one. What is that? 4.00 and then 0.25 means what will you get? 4.25 meter. Okay, David room is 4.25 meter. Everybody clear in this concept? See here, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. So 25 centimeter equal to 25 by 100 meter. So in this 25 centimeter you can write 0.25 meter. Okay, so you can write 4 meter and 0.25 meter means you can add both. So you will get 4.25 meter. Everybody clear? Now see some example problem. The first one, give the place value table, write the number in decimal form. See here, hundreds, tens, ones, tenth, hundredth, okay. See here, this is 2, 4, 3, 2, 5. How can you write the solution of in that one? What is the question? Give the place value table, write the number in decimal form. See, 100, 10, 1, 10th, 100th all are given. So now you have to write the number is see how many 100? 200. So you can write 2 into 100. Now you can put plus how many 10? 4 tens. So 4 into 10. Then ones 3 into 1. Plus 10th 2 into 1 by 10. Plus 100th 5 into 1 by 100. That's it. Now simplifying in this one, you will get the solution. Now you need the decimal form for in this one. Okay, see here you can write 200, 4 plus 10, 40, 3 into 1, 3. In this one is 2 by 10. The next one is 5 by 100. Now you can write 243. Now you can add 243. Point 2 is the 10th place. 5 is the 100th place. So 243.25 is your answer. Okay. See the next problem. Write as decimals. The first one 4 by 5. Okay. Now you can solve. How can you solve in that one? You have to write the decimal. See, we have to find a fraction equivalent to 4 by 5 whose denominator is 10. So you can write in this 4 by 5 is nothing but then you need the denominator value 10 means 4 into 2, 5 into 2. So you will get 8 by 10. See in this one you can write 0.8. So directly you can write 0.8. 4 by 5 is nothing but 0.8. Or otherwise you have to find the fraction equivalent to 4 by 5 whose denominator is 10. That means you can find the equivalent fraction. Okay, so that means the denominator value you need 10 means the decimal concept is very easy. That's why I have to take the decimal value will get 10. Okay, so you need 10 means multiple to divided by 2. So you will get 8 by 10. So everybody know that 8 by 10 can be written as 0.8. Okay, see the next one. 3 by 4. How can you write the decimal? Directly you can do that. But see the decimal. The decimal is 4. So here we have to find a fraction equivalent to 3 by 4 with the denominator 10 or 100. Okay, see in this one you need 10 means the 10 is possible. How can you simplify? There is no whole number that gives 10 on multiplying by 4. Yes, see here suppose you can multiplying 10 means what will you get? 30 by 40. So 30 by 40 means directly you will get the decimal concept. Right, see here no whole number, so we make the denominator 100. So we have, you need 100 for the denominator means which value you can take it? 25. So multiply 25 divided by 25 means you will get 75 by 100. So how can you write 75 by 100? 0.75. Okay, hence the solution. See the next one. 7 by 1000. See here the 10th and the 100th place is 0. Right? So directly you can write 0.10th and 100th place is 0. So you can write 7. So 0.007. Everybody clear? See, 4 by 5 means directly you can write 0.8, or otherwise we have to find a fraction equivalent to 4 by 5 whose denominator is 10. That's why you have to multiply 2 divided by 2. You will get 8 by 10. The next 3 by 4. See the 3 by 4 directly you can write 0.75, but this is the large process, so that's why we make that means we have to find the fraction equivalent to 3 by 4 with the denominator 10 or 100. There is no whole number that gives 10 on multiplying by 4. right? So therefore we make the denominator 100. We have 3 into 25 divided by 4 into 25. You will get 75 by 100. So you can write 0.75. The next one, 7 by 1000. In this one, the 10th and 100th place is 0. So we write 0.007 directly. Clear? See the next problem. Write as fractions in lowest term. See here. See the first problem. 0.04. How can you write 0.04? 4 divided by 100. You will get the fraction. But what do you need in lowest term? So, see, you can take the fourth table, right? Cancel off in that one. 1 divided by how many 4 is in this 10? 2 4s are 8. The remainder 2 0. 5 4s are 20. Okay, so you will get 1 by 25. This is also the fraction. In this 1 by 25 is a lowest term for the given question. Okay. See the next one. 2.34. How can you write 2.34? See here 2 point. So 2 is the whole number. So you can 2 plus 34 by 100. Right. Then see here 2 plus. In this one 34 by 100. Which value is common? You can divide it by 2. Okay, so 34 divided by 2 by 100 divided by 2. In this one, what will you get? 2 plus, what is 34 divided by 2? 17. By 100 divided by 2? 50. Any other simplification is there? No. So directly you can write 2 into 17 by 50. This is the mixed fraction. And also this is a lowest term. Everybody clear? See here 2.34. 2.2 means the 2 is the whole number. So you can write 2 plus. In this 0.34 is here. So you can write 34 divided by 100. This is the 100th place. So you can write 34 divided by 100. So 2 plus. In this 34 divided by 2 by 100 divided by 2. So you will get 2 plus. Now here how can you write divided by 2? Now you can find it out the lowest term. So the common value you have to divide for in this term. That's why I have to take the 2 for the common term. So divided for both numerator and denominator. You will get 17 by 50. See here 2 plus 17 by 50 can be write 2 into 17 by 50 is the solution. Clear? See the next one. 0.342. In this one you can write 342 divided by 1000. This is a fraction of a term, but you need the lowest term. So numerator is 2. So you can divide that by 2. 1000 divided by 2. See here what will you get? See 1 is to 2, remainder 4, 7, 1. 171 divided by, in this one is 500. Okay, see, this is the lowest term for the given question. Clear everybody? Now, we can move for the next problem. Write each of the following as decimal. Okay, see the first question. 200 plus 30 plus 5 plus 2 by 10 plus 9 by 100. See here, you can write the decimal. See 235, this is 100 place Okay, 10, 1. This is 10th and then 100th place. See, first of all, you can write 200 plus 30 plus 5 means you can write 235 first. 2 by 10 is the 10th place. So, you can write in this place. 9 by 100 is the 100th place. So, 235.29 is the answer. This is a decimal concept. Okay. See the next one. 16 plus 3 by 10 plus 5 by 1000. Now see here. What is that? Here 16. That means 10th place is there. Next. Tens. This is 10th. This is 1000th place. See here. How can you write in that one? See in this concept. Here 16. Plus 3 by 10 plus 100th term was missing. So 0 by 100th and then you can write 5 by 1000. Okay. Now you can write the solution for in that one. See here 16 point. This is 10th place, 100th place, 1000th place. So 16.305. Okay. Clear everybody? See the next problem. Write each of the following as a decimal. See the first question. 300 6 and 700. See, how can you write in that one? 306 and 700th. In this one, 306 and 700th means you can write in this. Okay, see what is that actually? 306 plus 0 into 1 by 10. 10th place is not here. So you can put 0 into 1 by 10 plus 7 into 100 place is 7. So you can write 7 into 1 by 100. Now you can write 306.0 is 10th place is not here. So you can put 0. And then 7 is your answer. 306.07. Clear? See the next one. Nine and 25 thousands. How can you write in this concept? See here, what is that? 9 and means you can put plus symbol. 25th thousandth. So 25 divided by 1000th means you can write the denominator 1000. See here, how can you write 9? This 9 is only the whole number. 10th place is not here. So you can put 0 by 10 and then put plus 25 by 1000. Okay, so in this 2 divided by 100 and then 5 divided by 1000. Now everybody clear? Now see here, how can you write? See 9 point, write 0 in this 2, 5. Okay, that means what is that? In this 25th thousand is nothing but, see here, 25,000, 25 divided by 1000 means you can write 20 plus 1000 plus 5 by 1000. You can split. Okay. Now, what is 20 by 1000? You can cancel the 1, 0. You will get 2 by 100. After that, 5 by 1000. In that's one, you have to write in this place. Everybody clear? Okay, see here 9 plus 25 by 1000 means you can write 9 is only the whole number plus 10th place is not here, so you can put 0 by 10 plus here 25 by 1000. In this 25 by 1000 you have to split 20 plus 5 in the numerator, and then you have to write 20 by 1000 plus 5 by 1000. Now simplifying in this 10 you will get 2 by 100 plus 5 by 1000. So you can write 25 by 1000 can be written as in this term. Now you can do it 9.02 and then 5. Clear everybody? See the next one, 11.235. How can you write? See, directly you can write 11.235. This is the answer. Okay.